Still on Object Manager and Lighting Up Builder. We are working our way through this module, Lighting Experience and Customization. So the next unit to cover is Customize Record Highlights and Compact Layouts. The objectives here are you should be able to describe how compact layouts help users, and you should be able to create a custom compact layout. So what do compact layouts do? In brief, compact layouts allow you to see a summarized view of the record, right? So it would sit on a record page. When you open a record in any object, the layout will have what we call a compact view or compact layout, right? That is a view on the top of the record page that shows you information of interest, right? If someone just wants to inspect some details about this record and they don't want to go through all of the record details, they will look at the compact layout. And this is how it is positioned. So this would be a record page. This top part here would be sort of a summarized view about the record. It tells you about the record type, which is, okay, I'm using a very dangerous word here because record types mean something in Salesforce, but we are looking at, okay, this is the object, right? So which object is this record sitting on? It's sitting on an opportunity. Then what's the name? And then it gives you certain details about the record. It's not everything, but certain, just a compact sort of data or information about this record. So it's just a summary. Let's read what they say here. Compact layouts control which fields your users see in the highlights panel at the top of a record. They also control the fields that appear in the expanded lookup card you see when you hover over a link in record details. So when you hover over records, there will be a card that pops up, and this would be the details that are included in the compact layout. And in the details section, when you expand an activity in the activity timeline, make your team more productive by presenting them with the key record information so that they can easily manage their work. For example, show phone numbers, regions on an account, or show stages, amounts, and ownership fields on an opportunity record. With compact layouts, you can highlight whatever your users at a glance when they look at a record. Yeah, so this is very important. It's a glance, you know. There's people who don't have the time to look at a million fields that appear in a record, but they want to see key information about that record, and this is where they would go to inspect it. Okay. As with page layouts, there are separate compact layouts for each object. Here's an example of an opportunity record page. Several fields you assign to an object's compact layout appear in that object's highlight panel, and in the expanded lookup card, see when you hover over in the record details. The field you put first displays at the top in bold. And at the top in bold, case the highlights panel reflects the fields on an opportunity compact layout, and the expanded lookup card reflects from the account compact layout. This would be the expanded. Okay. Yeah. Here's a sample compact layout edit page for an account object. It shows the name of the layout and lists Okay. So the name would be start creating one, and then this would be the fields that you would select and that should appear on that compact layout. The related page for the same object in Lightning Experience. You can see the account name, phone number, tab, industry, rating, and account owner at the top. And here's what the same report looks like in the mobile app. Okay. So let's create a compact layout. When you create a custom object, it's automatically assigned to a system default compact layout, which has only one field on it, the object's name. Maria wants to call attention to the most important fields on the object when her use that happen by creating a custom compact layout for the energy audit custom object. First, find and open the compact layouts node in the setup of any of the energy audit record object line. So from the object manager, click on edit object and then click on see that the system default compact layout is assigned as the primary compact layout, right? Change that. So we click on view and then we give the compact layout this label, which I'm going to copy. To the compact layout in this order. And then we click save, click on the compact layout assignment, edit the assignment, select energy audit compact layout, and click save. Okay. Let's do that. So we want to target the energy audits, right? This is the object that we want to target. Another way to open this object in the object manager is to just click on the gear icon there, and you can click on edit object. Object will be opened in object manager. And then one of the options that you have here is compact layouts. So we're going to click on compact layouts, and we can see that the system default compact layout has been assigned right to this object. And let's see how that looks. We open any record here, to be the compact layout, right? And we can see that only the name is added to this compact layout. Let's create a new one. Already copied the name. The fields that we want to select to appear in this compact layout. Let's see which fields those are. The name, the account, energy usage. We want the name. And the annual energy usage. Annual cost on top of installation. Save. That is done. We know that currently this is layout. The system default is the one that's assigned to the energy audit. Even if we refresh, what we just created still won't reflect. So what we need to do is we need to go to compact layout assignment, edit the assignment, and then the primary compact layout now is going to be the energy audit compact layout. And I hit save. That should do the trick. So if you come back here and refresh, see a different layout, right? There's the name and there's more fields displayed. Okay, so that's how we create a compact layout. And that brings us to the end of this unit. I won't go into the challenge. This should be something that you can do, right? Because it replicates these steps. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.